Welcome to Earning Networks. Today I wanna show you what is GramFree, how it is used, and how earn money. GramFree link in the description box. Firstly, when you click the links, it show you this interface. Now click sign up. Then here is two options, one continue with Facebook, one continue with Google. Choose anyone and it created. No email verification needed. Now I am going to my dashboard panel and show you how earn and how contract sign. This is the dashboard interface. Here I show you how roles are you push, how many visitors, and how much contract you sign. Also how much watch video. So total balance 29.1 gram. Per gram price $4.06. Now one thing is you must make 500 gram and then withdraw. Now firstly I show you how to sign your contract. Simply left button click and then a menu, last up 3 smart contract. Here is a smart contract dashboard. This is the main very important. You show you here is a button about risky contract. If you click it, then it's activate for 5 days. Every day, first time your managing time, you must click the sign in contract and take profit. Now show you when I disable it 0.2 gram. When I enable then 0.4 gram in 5 days. Now I can take it. Then they show ready to sign. Yes, you confirm it. Yes. Okay, my first sign is smart contract is confirmed. Then last 4 days ago and 3 days ago, 2 days ago, I make a smart contract. They receive. Firstly, 1 day left. I mean it's start almost 4 days ago. Now confirm. Are you sure? Yes. Is activated. After 18 hours later I make another claim. confirm, yes, confirm, yes. Every day you the confirm it, neither it's deduct for your absence 0.8 gram. Remember it, it's very important. You in 5 days you make only 5 contract at a time, not this higher. So every day you must sign the contract, then your ranking also up and earning also gain. Then I show you free roll. Okay, here is the free roll. I total collect 3 gram. Now roll. Yes, I got 0.1 gram. Every 1 hour you claim it, 10 per day. Okay, now here is a lottery option. You if you want, you buy a lottery, you took this. Another earning option is videos. Here is videos page. If you want make only GramFree video, then you upload it, or if per video is that is approved, then you make profit plus 5 gram, almost $20 per video. Your daily work is, here is a 3 video. Here is 3 video. You just watch this video at last 1 minute, then you claim 0.1 gram every day, the 3 video. Now I am watch the video. Here is you show this is in upper right side, timer is running. Now I am playing.
Hello guys, today I talk to new cryptocurrency GramFree. GramFree good real earning platform. GramFree provide daily 3 video watch. GramFree daily $5 provide. GramFree's contact system daily sign and in confirm. GramFree invite friends. GramFree lottery play system. Lottery play lucky draw, more of chance win to GramFree is a good.
My watch time is up. Here is this, the watched. Okay, then next watch.
Many people still do not know anything about making money on the internet, and today I want to tell you about one of these ways. You will need a phone and the internet to work and some free time per day. This type of
Yes, timer is up. Then next video.
afternoon, everyone. I just want to tell you about the real legitimate sites where you can make money without capital online. It is called GramFree. GramFree is a platform where every person, everybody in this world can draw from. Just what it takes to make money on GramFree is to perform some taxes. Tax like free roam, watch videos, and upload videos, because when you upload, you make money. When you watch other videos, you make money. Smart contracts gives you
Yes,
money.
timer is up.
And
Now you show your dashboard. This is the GramFree and it's huge income, but one thing it's take too many times, so you earn almost 500 gram price, almost $2000. So it is the legit site. Everyone who make 500 grams, everyone can withdraw, and they get more money. So stay connect to my channel Earning Networks. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. If you like it, please make a comment. Also share my video. Thank you.